Mura DVW can be used in many different ways. The single appliance by itself already has 4 4K outputs, so connected to 4 displays, you already have a small video wall. But this is a distributed video wall, so of course you want to add more devices. 2 different ways you could do this for 2 different results. One, you could add more devices for the same amount of monitors. So as an example, you could use a single output out of a device, use 4 devices, still have 4 monitors, but because you have 4 devices, you get 4 times more performance, 4 times more streams, 4 times more content on your wall. But that's not the only thing you could do. You could put more devices. As an example, you could use 4 devices, each one 4 outputs to give you 16 screens. We can actually go up to 16 devices, which gives you a total output count of 64 4K 60s. Paired up with our QuadHead2Go or with monitors sporting daisy chains, that means you can go up to 256 Full HD displays.